shadows fall and hope seems lost, I remember the love that paid the cost. Through darkest nights, His light will shine, His strength eternal, forever mine. No storm too fierce, no mountain too steep, God's mighty hand my soul will keep. In every trial, through joy or pain, His strength restores my hope again. Hope restored through God's eternal strength, a guiding light through life's long length. In every season His power remains, bringing peace through joys and pains. When fear arises and faith grows weak, I find His strength, the hope I seek. He lifts me high, He clears my way, turning darkness into brighter days. His voice so calm, His hand so strong, with God beside me I'll carry on. No path too hard, no burden too wide, in His strength I'll always abide. Restored through God's eternal strength, a guiding light through life's long length. In every season His power remains, bringing peace through joys and pains. Strength renews when I am weak, His words of comfort, the peace I seek. In storms of life I hear His call, be still my child, I'll catch you if you fall. With hands uplifted my soul will sing, for hope restored His love will bring. Each step I take I walk in grace, guided by strength in His holy place. Now as I journey through life's race, I see His power in every space. His strength surrounds, His love remains, a steady force through joys and pains. With faith renewed I'll trust His plan, forever held by His mighty hand. In every trial I'll boldly stand, knowing my hope is in God's command. Hope restored through God's eternal strength, a guiding light through life's long length. In every season His power remains, bringing peace through joys and pains. When my journey ends and I see